How to hide your repost on TikTok. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can hide your repost on TikTok. So let's dive in. First you have to open your TikTok app and then you have to click your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and now you can see here's my repost. And now I want to hide my repost. So I'm going to click these three lines on the top right corner and then choose settings and privacy. And in this menu choose privacy. And now here you can see that if I scroll down, I don't have any option of repost in this privacy section. So what I can do is just scroll to the top, and then here you have this option of private account. Simply turn it on by clicking this gray button. And once you make your account private, no one will be able to see the reposts of yours. That's the process that you can follow to hide your repost on TikTok. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.